Do you feel heavier, not just physically, but emotionally? Many in their 70s carry invisible burdens, chronic worry, lingering regrets, and strained relationships. Studies show anxiety disorders peak in this age group, affecting 1 in 30 individuals. This isn't inevitable aging. It's often the result of habits we've unknowingly accumulated. Today, we'll lighten that load by breaking 7 specific patterns. The first habit to release: the need to control everything: your health, family decisions, even world events. Research confirms that excessive worry triggers cortisol spikes, worsening blood pressure and sleep. Try this. Each morning, list 3 things within your control, like taking medication, and 3 to release, like adult children's choices. This simple practice rewires anxiety pathways over time. Social media makes it easy to envy others' retirements, grand vacations, perfect families, but comparisons steal joy. Neurologically, gratitude journaling for just 5 minutes daily increases serotonin production by 23%. Start small. Note 1 personal strength: I'm a loyal friend, and 1 simple pleasure: the smell of fresh coffee. This builds contentment where it matters most, within. If only I'd. These 3 words haunt many seniors. Yet fMRI scans reveal that dwelling on regrets activates the same brain regions as physical pain. Counter this by writing a letter to your younger self with compassion. You did your best with what you knew. Burn or bury it as a ritual of release. Remarkably, studies show this reduces nighttime rumination by 40%. Clutter isn't just messy, it's mentally taxing. Princeton researchers found visual chaos reduces focus by 29%. For seniors, excess belongings also increase fall risks. Try the 10-minute rule: daily micro-decluttering, 1 drawer, 1 shelf. Donate items unused for a year. Notice how physical lightness mirrors mental clarity, a phenomenon psychologists call the symbolic self. Late-night meals and sugar crashes exacerbate age-related lethargy. A Johns Hopkins study found seniors who finished dinner by 7 p.m. had 12% better sleep quality. Simple swaps: roasted sweet potatoes for processed snacks, herbal tea for sugary desserts. Pro tip: protein-rich breakfasts like eggs stabilize blood sugar longer than carbs alone, critical for sustained energy. Negative relationships spike stress hormones as sharply as smoking 15 cigarettes daily. Conduct an energy audit. After interactions, note if you feel drained or refreshed. Gradually limit time with chronic complainers. Instead, join groups sharing your interests: book clubs, gardening circles. UCLA research confirms socializing with positive peers reduces dementia risk by 26%. Many seniors internalize ageist stereotypes: I'm useless now. Combat this with mirror work. Each morning, state 1 affirmation aloud: my wisdom is valuable. Neuroscience shows this strengthens self-worth neural pathways in 6 weeks. Celebrate small wins, whether remembering a name or walking an extra block. As psychologist Erik Erikson noted, late life's gift is ego integrity, peace with one's journey. Meet Mrs. Lim, 74, who transformed her retirement using these steps. After releasing regrets, habit 3, and decluttering, habit 4, she started a neighborhood recipe swap, combining better eating habit socializing, habit 6. I wasted years worrying, she says. Now I savor each day. Her cortisol levels dropped 18% in 4 months. Proof change is possible at any age. That heavy backpack from earlier? Imagine setting it down. Start with 1 habit this week, perhaps gratitude journaling, habit 2, or an early dinner, habit 5. Small steps compound dramatically. Remember, aging isn't about decline, it's about refining what truly matters. Press subscribe for more tools and share your progress below. Your next chapter begins now, lighter, wiser, and full of possibility.